Welcome to FoxLearn. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install .NET Core Windows Forms Designer for Visual Studio 2019. At this time, WinForms Designer for .NET Core 3 is not yet available in Visual Studio 2019. However, if you want to use the Windows Forms Designer for .NET Core, you need to install .NET Core Windows Forms Designer Preview for Visual Studio. You can easily find the download link from the FoxLearn website. If you get an error when rebuilding your project, you can run the .NET Restore command from the Package Manager console to solve the problem. Open your Form Designer, then you can drag the text box button from the Visual Studio toolbox to your WinForm. As you can see, many controls aren't yet supported in preview of the designer. I don't recommend porting your Windows Forms applications to .NET Core just yet if you need to use the designer on a regular basis. This preview version is good for Hello World scenarios of creating new projects with common controls. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.